Welcome back everyone, we're on to the next stage of our CAM process. So now we're going to actually move to the CAM workspace by selecting Model and CAM. Pretty straightforward. You'll notice that we've got a new specification, or a new bar here with all different options. I've forgotten the word off the top of my head. And we've got a series of setups that I've just minimized now. Now these setups all are under the setups folder here, so all the setups are underneath this one, as you can see. We start with the top setup. Now the setup describes the origin position for the code and also the fixtures, the models and the stock that everything's using. So if I edit this top setup, what I need to do is reselect what body I'm using, because the previous body was the placeholder body. And so I need to now reselect this to be the new body that we actually want to manufacture. Having done that, all I'm going to do is also just flick through here and show you how I organize the work coordinate system. For example, I selected the z-axis here, the y-axis here, and I selected both to be flipped. The origin is the point origin I selected. And then finally, if we look at the stock, you can see that it's from solid, body, the body I created. And so, having done that, now that I've set up my top setup, what I can do is regenerate this toolpath that I left in here. I'm just going to regenerate it. And you'll notice now that I've got this toolpath which has a path there where the machine will mill across and along, moving around the vehicle. You'll notice a couple of things. Number one, there's a couple of red lines here. It says that there is a rapid collision with stock, which means it moves too fast into the stock material. You'll also notice that if I actually simulated this with stock on, I'll turn the toolpath onto tail here so you can see it easier. There's large cusps. Okay, these cusps are due to the fact that we're using a ball mill, and the step over, which is the amount of material the amount it moves sideways each time it does a long cut pass like this, is too large. So we're going to modify those. We're going to modify them by right-clicking and editing the parallel tool. We're going to select passes, step over 0.6 millimeters. Let's go 0.9 millimeters. Click OK. Having done that, you can now see that I've got a lot closer step over. And so if I were to simulate that, I would have a lot nicer finish. Just skip through a lot. You'll also notice the fact that I do not have those rapid stock collisions either, which is another bonus. Okay, we need to do the same thing to all the other setups. So go through, reselect the model by double-clicking where it says body. I'm going to edit the bottom setup, double-click the body, then select the new body, click OK. Make sure that that's actually selecting the new design you've got. I apologize, I'm not very well right now, hence the odd sounding noise in my voice. Anyway, having done that, I'm going to just expand those to see whether or not they're all organized. And they are, except for a couple of things, which we'll fix in a second. I'm going to select setups up the top, right click, generate. No. And now it regenerates the undesigned ones. Sorry, all the non-generated toolbars. Having a quick flick through here, I can see that they all need to have their designs changed so that the step over is a lot smaller. The other thing is the drill needs to be reorganized. That drill position is nowhere near the actual axle holes they're meant to be. So I'm going to right click edit, I'm going to go to geometry, double select the hole faces, and now select the two holes. Do the same for the other side, double select the hole faces, I'll select the two holes. Perfect. Then click setup and simulate. Drag my mouse all the way to the end and let it simulate the whole code. You can see there's a red bar which is dragging along as it does it. You can see now that it does machine the whole design. The only thing it's missing is the fact that it needs to have those step overs changed so it's nice and smooth like the top one. The side, bottom and other side are not. Alright, make those changes and I'll see you in the next video.